How's it TOB family? Welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. And you know how we do it on this channel. We always take the first few minutes to say thank you to everybody who subscribed to this channel, everybody who's liked the videos, shared them on social media platforms, and everybody who's commented. You've told me how you feel about these videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Now, if you're watching this video and you have not joined our family yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. I would say consider joining. It's free and it's easy. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button right there and the notification bell so you get notified every time I put out a video. Another thing to do that's quite easy too, we'll say hit the like button on the videos and also share them on your social media platforms. It is easy. It doesn't take anything from you. You don't have to pay for it, but it will mean a lot to us. Now, with that out of the way, let us go and see what piece of tech we're going to be talking about today. Well, come on, let's go. This is the Microlab G7 Pro gaming headset. It is a beautifully designed gaming headset with adaptive adjustable headband, retracting luminous noise reducing and anti-static microphone, and a whole lot more. Price on this one at the time of recording, 319 rands. For 319 rands, this is yours. This is a brand that is very much overlooked, but so far all the Microlab audio devices I've owned are yet to disappoint me. And the G7 Pro gaming headset is not an exception. If aesthetics is your thing, then like me, you'll love this one. Because there's lights, and more lights. Firstly, let's talk about the headband. The plastic used to make the headband and the entire headset doesn't feel cheap at all. It's flexible, durable, and is made to fit any head shape. Underneath the headband is padded for maximum comfort on your head. The ear cups are large and padded. The soft pads are wrapped in protein leather, also known as pleather. It's soft, comfortable, and is not tight around the ears, and that surely solves the issue of sweating around the ears during playtime. Behind each ear cup are RGB lights that slowly change as you game, and like I said earlier on, if aesthetics is your thing, you'll surely love this one. The RGB lights are powered by USB. It's got a 120-degree adjustable anti-static microphone that has LED lights on it. The light is also powered by USB. If your PC has only one port for audio and voice, then this would work great for you. And if your PC has got separate ports for the voice and for audio, then you will need a splitter cable. On the braided cord is the inline control. It houses the volume scroll knob and the on and off switch for the microphone. Personally, I prefer the headsets with inline controls over headsets with the scroll knob behind the ear cup. I know, it doesn't affect performance, but I feel like it gets uncomfortable when you want to adjust those controls. Just my opinion. This is what I think as relates performance of this headset. Not going to go into the details about impedance and frequency response and all that because quite frankly, nobody cares. But I can tell you this, the sound production is amazing. Its clarity, bass, balance, Little intricate details about the sound that this headset captures is just surprising. The microphone eliminates the static noise, giving the voice production clarity, and it's crisp. As budget headset goes, this one is surely a leader, and for the price of 319 rands, it is worth every cent. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, like and share the videos on your social media platforms. And yeah, if you give us a request for some videos you like to see, don't worry, we're gonna get to it. Okay? And until next time, take it easy.